Hello everyone, welcome to another video on how to reduce screen motion on your PlayStation 5 and TV. Now keep in mind that first what you want to do is you want to reduce the screen motion blur on your PlayStation 5. Now how can you do this? So first of all, what you want to do is you want to start up the console. From the dashboard, your console's main menu, you need to navigate to settings. Now from settings, you will need to go to accessibility. Now, again, accessibility is the menu you want to aim for. You may remember this menu from your old PlayStation 4. Again, you can also do this on your PlayStation 4 as well, just so you know. Now you need to go to display, which is a new sub-menu that wasn't available on PlayStation 4. And finally, you go to reduce motion. Now you can toggle this on and off by checking and unchecking the small box on the right side of your screen. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to reduce screen motion on your TV, you will need to go and access settings in your TV. And yeah, you will basically be able to do that on, on your TV as well. You just go to settings, you go to display, and on your display, you will need to play around with your settings. Keep in mind, this is different for each TV. So if you have an LG TV, it will be different than having a Samsung TV, for example. So yeah, that's pretty much what you want to do. As you can see, the motion blur refers to screen movement and motion effects, and in some cases, reducing it will help those who suffer from dizziness or eye strain. If this happens to you, as you can see, this is what you want to do. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments regarding to this, you can comment down below, and we will see you in the next upcoming PlayStation 4 or 5 tutorial video. Thank you guys for watching.